The journey begins at the logistics dock, where raw, ethically sourced skins arrive in climate-controlled shipments. Each batch is immediately tagged and inspected for flawless texture before entering the production. Line that first. The skins undergo a rigorous washing process to remove impurities and prepare the fibers. They are then tumbled in massive cedar drums for 48 hours. This tanning solution permanently softens the leather necks. Master colorists supply custom dyes. Our automated spray systems ensure a perfect, even gradient across every inch. Once colored, the skins travel through thermal drying tunnels to lock in the vibe. Hosting the design lab. Patterns are digitized to maximize yield and minimize waste. High-precision lasers then cut the leather with microscopic accuracy, sealing the edges as they slice. Skilled artisans then assemble the pieces, stitching the exotic leather into luxury garments. Finally, every jacket passes a rigorous quality check before being boxed for worldwide export.
Moving to packaging.